What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3. Not the Buds 3 Pro, the Buds 3. My Buds 3 Pro are taking a bit of time to arrive, so in the meantime, we got these bad boys. These are the non-ear tip versions. These are ones that rest inside your ear rather than going inside your ear canal. But let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing. If you want to pick up one of these guys, it's going to cost you 180 bucks. Not too bad for earbuds at this level. They're going to be coming in two different colors, silver and white. We got the silver on hand. And let me tell you guys, based on the box, it's looking pretty nice. Let's get a little close up here. We got the black bar on the earbuds themselves. Looks a little unique. Unique design, Samsung. Hey, I'm not going to complain. On the Buds 3 Pro, we got the light up bar. But we're not going to be talking about those boys today. We're going to be talking about these. So taking a look at the box, we got our warning label. The top here, Galaxy Buds 3 on the side, and then the bottom's all the IMEI, or not the IMEI, excuse me, the UPC, serial number, all that good stuff. Y'all don't need to see that. And then we got all our information here, Bluetooth earbuds, yada yada yada. We got our two seals, up and the top and bottom. Let's go ahead and tear those up. Ooh, that was not a satisfying tear. Let's try that again. There we go. Gosh, Samsung, make this satisfying for me. Bottom right here, you can see $179.99. Like I said, this is going to run you about 180 bucks. Let's get these little things out of here. Boom. Slide this off. Okay, alright. So up top here, let's go ahead and pop this out. Let's see what we got here. Oh, feels like something in there. Paperwork. Y'all don't care about that. We already know. No one wants to see that. The USB-C to C charging cable. We don't care about that either. We're going to throw that to the side. Let's see what else is in here. Whatever this thing is. I think it's to hold the charging cable. Oh, it fell on the floor. Alright. Let's see what this is. Find your perfect fit. Okay. Little paper here. And here they are. The Galaxy Buds 3. Ooh, baby. Take a look at that. Those look awesome. Let's make sure we're not missing anything. Yep. Got a little indent in the box for the buds. I'm just going to set that to the side. And let's get a close look at this. Alright, it's got the transparent top. It's kind of like a frosted, not frosted really, like smoked out silver on the top. But it's still transparent to the point where you can still see the buds. That looks really nice. Earbuds case themselves, they feel very premium, high quality. Definitely don't feel anything cheap here. Let's take a look at the back here. All looking nice. Bottom here, we got, ooh, okay. That's new. I don't remember that. That's I believe this is like for pairing. When you're pairing it to other devices, to like non-Samsung devices and whatnot. There's our USB-C at the bottom there. Man, these look good. And let's just show the, as I was mentioning in terms of pairing, if you have a non-Samsung device, there's going to be a pairing button on the bottom, so if you're using an iPhone or on Windows. But let me get my Galaxy S24 Ultra here. If we pop them open, it should just pop up on the phone. There we go. It's just like that. Galaxy Buds 3, a new device has been found. So we're going to go ahead and connect these bad boys and then move that to the side. But yeah, if you got a Samsung device, for all my Samsung boys out there, it's going to be an easy experience. Take a look at that. I'm going to go ahead and get these bad boys paired up, and I'll catch you guys when that's done. And we're back. Here we got for your review. We're just going to agree to this all. And then we're all set. So now that we're done with the pairing process, let's just take a closer look at these before we take a look at what the app's got to offer. Here we got a blue and an orange. I believe it's blue and orange if you take a look at that. Those are going to be our indicators for our left and right. Let's get these out of here. Oh man, these feel good. These feel real nice. Really premium. Love the feel of them. Take a look. Nice case. Got the light indicator. Yeah, blue and red, that's going to be the indicators, and I believe on the bottom of these guys, yeah. So on the bottom of these guys, sorry, it's a bit dark here right now, but we got the blue and orange indicators, so you know, when you're putting your buds away, you're like, Not kind of struggling and being like, oh, am I putting it in the wrong one? No. We got blue here. And we got the orange there. Very easy fit. Now, a test that I always like to do when I get earbuds. The magnets on them. So if we're shaking them upside down, none of the earbuds are going to be coming out. Good. Nice strong magnets, but at the same time very easy to take out and place back in. And the top feels really nice and sturdy. You would think like it would be a little bit, it looks like, to be honest, when I first looked at this, I was like, hey, maybe this is a bit cheap, but no. Very sturdy. I love that. Oh, I love that clear top. These look nice, to be honest. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, alright? You know, I like to keep it real with y'all. From the pictures themselves, I thought, man, that, like, just black line, the unnecessary line, like, I don't know how I was gonna like these buds. But they look cool. I like how they're, like, sharped off. I'm gonna be real with y'all, these look like a Cybertruck, alright? I'm gonna just be real with y'all. Definitely got that Cybertruck vibe, especially the color. Nice case, though. Love it. Okay, let me leave these open here so we can take a look at the app here. Okay. So here we go. Here's the app for the Galaxy Wearable app. If you don't have a Galaxy device, go ahead and install this. There's going to be the picture of the buds up there. Oliver's Buds 3, because you already know it's mine. Left and right ear, we got the percentage of the buds and the percentage of the case. Active noise canceling. This is new with Samsung buds. So like I said, these are the buds that just rest in your ear. They don't go directly in your ears. And they still have active noise canceling. That's going to be interesting. And we can turn it on, obviously. Oh, put in both the earbuds. Gotcha. Okay, so we need both earbuds in. You already know. Sound quality and effects. We got the 360 audio. We got our equalizer settings. So if you're one of those and really like to mess with your music and adjust it, that's all you got. We got all the equalizer settings. Earbud controls. We got media controls. Pinch and hold controls for left and right. You can set these. And then call controls. To answer or end calls, you can pinch and hold, all that good stuff. Earbud settings, you know, we got all our earbud settings. None of that stuff is really important though. Find my earbuds, so in case you lose them. And then tips and user guide. But man, let's put the phone away. Get back to looking at these. Now I'm just gonna throw these in my ear real quick and just give you guys an honest review, because I'm gonna be real with y'all, I got weird shaped ears. But when I found out these are the ones that rest in your ears, Samsung, and they got the stems. Here, let me get these in my ears. All right, give y'all an honest opinion. They feel good. They really feel good. They don't fall out. Like I said, I got weird ears, but they fit really nice, as you'd expect. Get a closer look, man. They kind of look like AirPods, but that's okay, you know. You know, us Samsung people, we see something we like, we take it, and that's what Samsung did here. The AirPods. The non-ear tip versions have a great shape, for my ear at least, and Samsung said, nope, I'm going to take that too. I'm not going to complain though. They're really nice looking earbuds. But yeah, overall, first impressions and unboxing of these, like I said, really sturdy case. I'm still really hyped for the Buds 3 Pro. That's what I'm really looking forward to. But these look awesome still, nonetheless. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be keeping these. Who are these good for? Honestly, if you're not into in-ear earbuds, like I mentioned, to me personally, I'm going to keep these just because when I'm walking my dogs, you know, I'm running around, or when I'm going on my runs, going to the gym, I don't want my in-ears because they fall out. These are going to be nice because whenever I'm on the go, if my dogs are pulling me around, they're never going to pose an issue. So this is going to be really interesting. Really interested to see how the active noise canceling works. I'll let you guys know how that is in a future video. But that concludes this unboxing today, y'all. Thank you guys for tuning in. This was the Galaxy Buds 3 unboxing. Boom. But yeah, I will catch you guys in my next YouTube video. Thanks for tuning in.